During this phase, we all have shattered, we all have felt like there is no tomorrow, we have felt like we are dying, we have felt like every day looked like mourning our own deaths, or the extreme fear that there is no light in life and that it's all going to end like this. The loss of hope is something that keeps us going even in the most difficult times, and this was the time when we lost all the hope. My heart goes out to all of you who survived this phase, because it is not easy, it is never easy to face our own fears to the deepest level, to face our own darkness, when at the same time we seek out for help. We are pushed in loneliness, we are pushed so much in isolation that even the closest ones who looked warm, who looked like a family, the friends, everyone seemed to, you know, have, or either they are going through their own share of hardship, or they look just apathetic, because our pain is so deep that no one, no one can hold that compassion, that space, but us. And we understand that once we get past that phase, but during that, we are made to feel so lonely that we start to question every relationship. Is that even worth it? I've given so much in this relationship, but am is that effort being reciprocated? And yes, there will be relationships that end after this phase because there is extreme churning going on. But another truth is that we are, forced to, you know, sit with our shadows. I remember like sitting 3, 4, 5 hours, not being able to sleep in the night. I love to sleep. I am someone who sleeps at 9:30 p.m. and I wake up early. And I'm very particular about, more than strict, I'm very particular about my sleep. I love to have a healthy sleep. It's very, very important for myself, for my functioning, for my body. But even that got disrupted during this phase. Yesterday was the first time I slept fine. It's 9:36 a.m. I've been seeing, we see all the angel numbers, we see all the angel signs, but we, barely resonate with anyone or anything. I'm someone personally who is able to understand very intuitively about the exact meaning of angel numbers the moment it's shown to me. I know most of the people just wave off or question, and there may be times even I don't trust them, but in that moment, I'm someone who knows that what the number is calling out to me, because communication with angels, equation with angels is a gift for me, and even that didn't make sense to me, or I was blocked out. The deepest shadows have been churned. I don't know how many times I've already repeated that, but I really wanted to talk about what's going on, because I know I have felt very lonely, and I know you must be feeling that as well, but probably this video will pop up in your feed, and even your mind will know that okay, there are other people also going through this. Even when I am alone, there are other people feeling similar. Might not bring relief, but some sort of shift definitely. Some kind of compassion to self, that I need not be so hard on myself, because such is the energy. I I remember being so hard on myself that the statement that used to pop up, I will not be able to do it, not in this life. And even now I don't know, but I do have that hope back within me. I have more confidence than ever within me, and I pray the same for all of you. I'm sending a lot of love, a lot of compassion to all of you watching this. If you have watched till this point such long of video, then you deserve all the love in this world. Thank you.